Hey, Michael with Jellyfish Lighting. So we're doing a new installation, and today we're going to actually transmit both lines, transmit and receive, for a special reason. So on this particular home, we're running just under 300 feet, about 280 feet, and we're dividing the house half and half on two lines. And so we're splitting those lines, port 1 and port 2, and each doing a transmit from the controller. The reason why we're doing a transmit is in order to get those lines to the top floor of the house. We've had to piggyback running them with a rain gutter that has heat tape. But typically you don't want to run your wires parallel with a 110 line. And we're trying to minimize any type of interference we have getting from the ground floor to the top floor along that rain gutter with that heat tape running parallel and the current running through that. And so we transmit from the controller here. And then right up there, so we put down the panel and ran our wire behind the fascia board into the panel and tied in our receivers. And then went two different directions around the house.